morning everyone. Today is December 1, so that means it's the start of Vlogmas. And I won't be posting every day. I think I'm gonna do like a 12 days of Vlogmas if I can. Cause I can't vlog every day because exams are coming up and I don't think I have time to vlog and edit. So yeah, hopefully you'll enjoy what I can create. Not all of my vlogs will be daily vlogs. Most of them probably will be pre-filmed, or some of them. But yeah, I still hope you enjoy. It is currently 8:05 and our class I think will start at 8:10. So I'm just in my bed because I'm really lazy right now. But hopefully later lilipat na ako dun sa table ko. But it's my first class. This is PDR. And I got this webcam cover from Shopee. Just in case biglang open pa yung camera ko. At least naka-close to. My class just ended. I don't open the camera during my class because halata naman I haven't gotten ready yet. And I'm gonna wait for my next class. I don't even know what time it is. Okay, so it says it's 10 a.m. and it's 10:01, so I have to open the Zoom. And it's currently 10:01 a.m. and I just opened the Zoom meeting, so it's just loading. Ended already. I already ate lunch and right now I'm just watching YouTube. 1:30 pa yung next class ko. I'm currently watching Gabby yung fancy vlogs niya. Like, I don't know what I did. I just got a delivery from Shopee and this is actually a gift for my sister and ang bilis niya dumating. I think in-order ko to the other day lang. By the way, I'm gonna announce yung winner later kung sino yung makakakuha ng Minaw products. So, ayan, nandito pa rin siya and it's still unopened. And also, I prepared some giveaways for this month. So, I think, tatlo ba to? Tatlong giveaway. Yeah. We'll try to do as much giveaways this month. Let's see if may maipon pa ako. Pero so far, ayan, naka-prepare na yung tatlo. I just showered and I think I'm gonna open the package na. Oh, by the way, if you watched my shop with me, online shop with me vlog, makikita nyo na iba yung colors na binili ko kasi biglang naging available yung gusto kong color. So, I got the army green one and then yung rust yung binili ko for Dia instead of gray kasi feeling ko masyadong common na yung gray. I got this for 180 each and I think, free shipping lang. Because I used Shopee Pay. So ayan, I got the army green for myself. And it's really nice. Ayan, may garter siya sa bottom. This is what I got here. It looks orange, pero ayan, it's a rust color.
Blood pressure, there's a drop at the area of the capillaries and then it really does not pick up any more pressure. So you see, that shows you that the venous system is a low pressure area.
Okay, so my physiology leg class just ended and now I'm just watching Stephanie Sue's latest video and meron kaming lab later mga 3:30, so it is currently 3:08 p.m. so I'm just gonna wait for that.
Right? And all of the Air Force men were just watching, very stoic, very quiet.
I keep forgetting that I'm vlogging. Actually, kasi hiniram ng sister ko yung camera ko. So, hindi ako naka-vlog. But, I already ate dinner. And I'm gonna choose the winner for the Me Now giveaway, and then papakita ko na rin yung i-giveaway ko for this vlog. Okay, so I'll be using YouTube random comment picker. Let's filter duplicate users so that one entry per user lang. Let's start. By the way, pipiliin ko lang yung nag-follow ng instructions. So, kailangan meron kang comment, any comment, and then kailangan may IG handle. So, kapag walang IG handle, hindi ko siya pipiliin. Or kapag IG handle lang nilagay, hindi ko rin pipiliin kasi parang walang effort yung comment. Okay, so this is our winner. So before I forget, I'm gonna show you our giveaway prize, and super simple gift lang to for you guys kasi nga ayoko ng malaking giveaway para ma-divide ko rin yung mga items para more winners. So for our winner for today, ito yung mapapanalunan niya. I think this is 5 items. So may mga samples like this one. This is a nose pack from iWhite. And then, meron din ako ng set of eyelashes. Ayan, it has 10 pairs. I'm gonna give this. I'm also gonna give away this Caris Patchholic na hair mask. I really like this, and it's hard to get like one pack of this. Para matry nyo, I'm gonna give this away. And then, meron akong lipstick that I got from Shopee, and hindi ko pa ito nagagamit. All of these are brand new, and hindi ko kasi siya magagamit. It's a red lipstick. I'm not gonna open it anymore kasi nga, giveaway prize. And also this one, another thing that I got from Caris. This is the True Repair Essential Oil from Amos. Ayan, I have a big size of this, and they also gave me a small size, but I don't think I'm gonna use it, so bibigay ko na lang sa giveaway. Medyo theme ng giveaway natin is hair care products kasi this is an oil for your hair, tapos may hair mask ka. And then just extra items here. So if you wanna enter the giveaway, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment down a question you want to ask me, and also ano ba? Put your IG handle and follow me on IG as well, so I can contact you if ever I choose you. For my Vlogmas giveaways, I'm gonna end them at the end of December na lang para by January, sabay-sabay ko na lang i-ship yung mga products. So, yeah. And if magulo yung mechanics na sinabi ko, I'm just gonna put them on the description box below. I think my plan is to upload the video or edit this video, and I'm gonna post it December 3 probably. And again, hindi ako mag-vlog every day. I'm just gonna vlog when I have time. Pero I'm gonna try and post every other day. Pero wala pa akong set schedule. Basta magpo-post ako ng 12 videos before Christmas. So, hopefully, I succeed. But we shall see. This is my plan for tonight. Hopefully, I get to study those 4 topics. I probably can't. It's already almost 8 p.m. Yung mechanical properties of the heart, meron kaming quiz for that on Thursday. Naaral ko na yung other topics yesterday, and then yung lesson namin for tomorrow is yung biochem na beta oxidation and yung CVS, histology, cardiovascular system. And ito naman, assigned kami to do the trans, so I have to read on that as well.
Serous layer of your vital pericardium. So these 2 layers of the pericardium will enclose your pericardial cavity. So you have a space.
It is currently 9:30 p.m. and pinanood ko na yung cardiovascular system histology. And to be honest, parang antok na antok ako. Hindi ko masyadong maintindihan, pero at least meron akong na-aral na konti. I'm thinking if I should do biochem next or physiology. Kasi feeling ko hindi ko kaya mag-anatomy tonight. Oh, I don't know. I'm in bed now. Actually, 2 videos kasi yung CVS histology. So, before I started the second one, I took a 10-minute nap, which helps me so much. I do that all the time whenever I'm feeling sleepy during studying. So, I let myself take like a 10-minute nap. And gumagana naman siya. Inaantok pa rin ako pero I still need to study. 9:30 pa lang. Usually I sleep at around 12 or 1 a.m. So yeah, I think I'm gonna read biochem, and if I have more time, I'll try to read physiology. Okay, I think I'll do that.
Finds isocarnitine and transports it across the membrane in exchange for carnitine.
Okay, I think I'm done with biochem. And I have to check this one. I need to answer the formative quiz, and then I'll study physiology and probably, I don't know, maybe anatomy. It's currently 10:19 p.m. so I guess I can still read on physiology. Anyway, I'm just gonna continue studying, and I don't think I'm gonna vlog the rest of my night anymore because I am really feeling down and stressed. Ang dami kong kailangan gawin. Anyway, thank you so much for watching Vlogmas Day 2, even if it's supposed to be 1, but yun nga, I'm not doing the typical kind of Vlogmas, but yeah. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, comment below any other video suggestions, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!
I'm a baddie. I'm a baddie. Yeah, I know I look good.